Bżieda ta' 3% fuq is-sena ta' qabel, il-Borża ta' Malta għalqet l-2015 Bis-Sitt L-Akbar Tkabbir Fid-Dinja meta mqabbla ma' swieq oħra internazzjonali. Dan ikkonfermah iċ-Chairman tal-Borża ta' Malta Portelli f'kummenti ma' News jiem wara din l-entità ewlenija ċċelebrat il-25 anniversarju. 25 sena wara, il-Borża ta' Malta tgħodd il fuq minn 75,000 kont b'ismijiet stabbiliti jużawha bħala pjattaforma kruċjali fl-operat tagħhom.
The Malta Stock Exchange has had a very proud 25 years, and we're hoping to take the MSC to bigger, better places, including abroad. Just a few months ago, we went to China, for example. The finance minister joined us. We had excellent coverage there. There was a great deal of interest, and we're excited to go to many other places also, including Italy and Spain, etc.
Iżda xi tfisser li jkollok Borża ta' Malta b'saħħitha għall-ekonomija u l-ġid komuni ta' pajjiżna?
We have a board which cares very much about corporate governance. We have over 60 people work here who care about the Malta Stock Exchange and care about the clients that we serve. We are the bedrock of the Maltese economy. We've raised almost up to 19 billion euros in capital. So I can assure the viewers that the Malta Stock Exchange is well run, and we very much care about our future and the future of our economy.
U bħalma Borża ta' Malta b'saħħitha hija xpruna l-iżvilupp ekonomiku tal-pajjiż, hekk ukoll tkabbir ekonomiku bla preċedent reġistrat minn dan il-gvern kompla jistimola l-investiment fis-swieq lokali.
As the economy does better, it means that Maltese companies earn more. As Maltese companies earn more, it means their stock prices go up. I'm very happy to report that our stock market has done very well. We are coming out with a total return index, which reflects the reinvested dividends. And anyone who invested in Maltese stocks since 1995 would have earned in excess of 11% had they reinvested dividends into Maltese stocks. So over a very long period of time, believe it or not, Maltese companies are one of the best performing sectors in the world, actually.